understand. I got a girl and you got a man. Something got us out of hand, but we still gotta stay as fans. And I still wanna do this again. Sex with you, oh it feels like damn. I gotta blame that on my game. When we had that one night stand was a handstand.
You like the way I give it to you, just the way you want, that your man want to. But me and my girl will just make love, and you just another friend of yours. Stop paging me and just leave me alone, cause I don't want my girl to know. Now let me go, leave me out of your mind, cause me and my girl, man, we doing just fine.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's time for me to let you know.
Gotta let you know.
My contemplation made me grow.
It made me grow.
This time you gotta let it go.
Gotta let it go.
I'm doing just fine. That boy easy, why? Told me she got another guy. Her man found out, now she's all alone, yeah. Single and hot, now she's calling my phone. Now she started crying, easy, started laugh. She haven't called for a while, now she wanna come back. She said, baby, you and me today. I know it's been a while, but I don't feel okay.
She told me what happened about our relation. I was like, baby, relax. I got the medication and patient, we couldn't wait.
Then I got late, we found a way to spend a lot of days. My girl called me on the phone, telling me, baby, can you please come home? Baby, listen, I was cheating on you, but doesn't make a difference, cause I